I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching OBS and creating a scene right away. Add a display capture for full screen or window capture for a single app. Once done, name the source clearly, then check permissions by running OBS as admin so capture works. Make sure to set canvas and output resolution to 1920x 1080 and choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on motion. You should also add an audio input capture for your mic and audio output capture for system sound, so your recording contains both. You now tune the recording settings precisely. Switch output mode to advanced and open the recording tab so you control encoder and container. Choose a hardware encoder like NVENC if available for lower CPU use, otherwise X264. Set bitrate between 8,000 and 20,000 kbps for balance of quality and file size. Select MKV as the recording format to avoid data loss on crashes, and set CPU preset to VeriFast or faster for general use. Also configure audio tracks and sync offset if needed. You're ready to record. Press start recording and watch audio meters. Aim for mic peaks between -12 and -6 dB and system audio below -6 dB to avoid clipping. Once recordings are long or multi-scene, use studio mode so you can preview and transition cleanly without interrupting capture. When done, hit stop recording and check the file. If you used MKV, remux to MP4 via file right arrow remux recordings. Troubleshooting tip: if capture shows black screen, try display capture vs window capture, toggle capture compatibility, or run OBS as admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.